Hi, today is Friday. And then our ganap for today is we go to Fanling. We go to Fanling because the weather is very humid. Because it rained this morning and it's still gloomy. And then we'll go to Fanling to maghahatid tayo nito. Okay. So that's all. Hello, hello. So this part of the video is pauwi na ako nito. First time kong sumakay actually ng bus from the boarding house papunta ng Fanling MTR kasi walang minibus kaya nagbus na lang ako. That's all. Salamat.